Hello.
Let's get this flash raffle on the move. Good luck to everyone.
Oh, let's get it.
If someone wants to tell me when to stop shuffling, I'll stop shuffling, take that name off the list. They'll win the one max AP. Then I'll spin again. That person will win another max AP. So if someone wants to
Oh,
tell me when to
shit.
stop shuffling.
Fuck it. Let's go. Stop.
Alright. Here's for 1 AP. Mercy the Wolf.
Fuck, I was too away. Mercy.
Alright. Let's take that name off. Mercy. Mercy, mercy. You see any more? I don't think so. Nope.
Mercy, like on the thing? No. Let's see.
Alright, do you want me to shuffle again, or do you want me to just respin?
Fuck it, just spin from there. I'm liking it.
Alright. One maxed AP goes to
Oh my god, I was right there. Oh, it's my
Mikey.
boy. Yo, what are the odds? I know that.
Stay tuned for the next flash raffle. Get your tickets for the weekly raffles.
Thank